Yade se ensuo de yenom ne aduane a yedie no empempi etai ekofa yade e de bre nipadua no ena se wokone nam ba bi basa basa ye wo niema basa basa ansha na yade bi afiri wo awra eno nti ene ewo emfimfim mantam wo abra World Kidney Day ho celebration ekoso ewo ho na afa ye de bokoko etu amanfofo ensusanso boni a kidney yade no enya wo nipadua no so ene wo hawa hodo a enya ewo man ne so no eka ho bi ema ye no mu bia senti binti wanya wo haw e wo nsa ho e de kotodwe egu fom ensan so dansa yam kita wo mu nsam kotone asrewa esre Ghana mampanyi se adawro ma wo munya wo mu moa na afei enhyehyeye amapa wo mfangu akwam na enai de se ye bodin pa se wanya kidney yade dialysis ahodo a ye do beto so no ebu ewo mu nti ho pressure kura timi ku ansa na se yade no eduyefo entimi ansom no twedi ampon amane nsa so a won so watimi afiri mu ato enti omo mpese adehye bebre ebeto nti wo mo sre Ghana mampanyin se omrem na kidney no ebu a ye hwese ye de beto ato a na afei nipa na apomudin agina yie no saa kwan ne so waboa no amasika nso akom na omo munya saa yade ni bi no wo mani entimi entutu anka wo mo nsem Daniel eye nipa ba kwa ye kasai kidney yade no okura bi mu one akoma nsem trofo edi koma yentie bi
Me started treatment almost 1 year now. Oisin Skasamana was before Kali in and out TNT na ni dialysis treatment oisin until best day carbon betum daka health insurance na what to support the patient was in his car na if treatment cost no per day in the session na near in his car na the life ana why be in a week the TNT can buy almost 1,000 and 1,002. Besa so ato ipo in the onion that wo nti ni na akeka ho a na chede ayasam kakraba nti ye best the tasra aban the onto amwa patient na bebre na young guys they are productive as wo bo ho na obetum wa asom oman no na bibia ye beto tasra the machines no so wo ha no so no form kakra dodo no ndo nti se wotum de bibia ka ho a no so obobo bebre
ewo sansem kronimua ena Samuel Abeidu wono so ekyeremu ene abosome kakra etwam eduyefo timi de sa kidney yade yi bi yantam ne komu se wo mu hwehwe ne nipaduam ne yehu se kidney failure no wanya bi na ye bisa ne se bra wote sa asemi sade ne ho esiye no ene eka hodo a wabro so egu honom emprempren eka wogusu ebone no so osene sen
no shadam fam baba Debiana, Demi Yayan feel well. Nti mami okacham de my problem binti mi babu chilling okada under odumba kekus na yabe operation binti oya ode bi botu mo kon so the them two minute mo kon twice in a week bi ay baba na yabe dialysis yaba Monday na Thursday obandam na osi mda ndi minti aro na kasma ya kocho BC nti okada nka min ko school yo ayama mi kocho just nbari wiwe nwo osma mi nko ko exam ya hon ya yo osma mi nko baya min keji mi biya mara mpeta mi mi kada nka mi anka moko bozi situation na min tu kada moko school
enti we no bra Facebook no so na be hwa bi we kra de abofra kuma bi o ene oda ho a wo pere ne nkwa no na eno achi ene ya nkasa ye nuansem troni ba ko wono akasa ya wasanso aye ne ho wo mo a wo mo kasa edema enuano mo a sa ohaw aba wo mo sa ho no kasa edema wo mo pa wono so ede abetu dwa se emprempren wo pere ne nkwa de mu eden sanse kidney yade wo be hunu se wanya bi no enfie pole edunani afi ba kokra ye kasa da sa dialysis no so numpo ademu na enfie dusika watua ene se de ne ho siye no ehiamoa
government now say yesterday or the flagship program here watching is in agenda 111 which I think is a very laudable idea na ka yesterday agenda 111 indeed so about that government on consider non for dialysis centers of Ankara because yes dialysis centers or Ghana it's just a few. The whole of central region here can dialysis center or people teaching hospital, which serves a lot of people across the region. You know, even some people come from Western, even in Ashanti region, or patronize her facility. Now already machines over hand also. It is a young couple from other regions so back In fact, oyaza or agenda papa. Ntika enya ntanam agenda 111 year or a very good initiative. One for dialysis centers in Franco. Now again, so one train more personnel, doctors, nephrologists, nurses are where special specialty and dialysis on renal care. Now again, so young technicians na adi na one training more. I want to madam them facilities. Yes, sure. So another challenge is only blood. Yeah, can't dialysis. Only moja no ko. Then pen patients over no now say that wash out the blood or either woman blood in emergency. My son with my dad. I open them over for no moja wash out. Yeah. When your relatives import to come, no, na difficult. Nti ever say then ka. When some policy yeah dialysis center, blood another blood bank. One being a collaboration bianca over creating blood bank via my dialysis center. Nanka anytime they are store blood for emergency cases.
Na ne krakra mu no na senior nurse baako ono wuko PM dialysis unit hono mo a in charge papa era units the graft Asian wono so de bi atu dwa se nokra mu no wo hye se de kidney yade no ACD omanfo bi enya ehu behia se wo bia eni beda hot sese bi aboa wo na afa yabo yen ho ban afri yade kitenkete ho na afa yi abrabo bia etwetwe yen ekosuban bom ni mu no ehu behia say ye betwe ye ho e de afiri ho.
So the latest things we can do screening. You check for regular health screening. We check your blood pressure. We check your kidney function test. We do your urinary, like what we are doing here. This will help to detect them early. But we can also do you do your regular exercise. You avoid high intake of salt, excessive meats, unnecessary medications, over-the-counter medications, herbal medication, unprescribed medications, alcohol, smoking. Then let's try to exercise expensive. We cannot afford it. You have to go outside for it. And even that one, getting a donor and then the means if you can afford, and then the risk of failure too is very high. That's why we want to be so that we catch them early before we get to the late.
All right.
Senior nurse wano akroya in charge dialysis unit era units the graft Asian nene ene ekoti ye.
Episode 4 channel so say akoma 87.9 from